Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is from Hermosahair. I'll be showing you guys their 28 inch, 220% density, 13x6 pre-all wig. This wig comes with the pre-bleached knots. It's pre-cut for you and pre-plucked for you as well. And it does have the ear tab tapes. That way you can actually have a glueless lace front wig install. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna give you guys a quick unboxing as always. They did send some extra ear tape adhesives along with some other good gifts as well. So again, this wig is from Hermosahair. It is 28 inches, 220% density, and it comes pre-styled for you with these 3D bouncy curls. These curls are super tight. The wig is super full. The lace room is a full 13x6, and it does have that ear tape adhesive, which I mentioned earlier. She also comes with the adjustable elastic band and the combs inside of the wig unit as well. So we are going to try to keep this wig completely glueless, which I don't use glue anyways, but everything that they already have set for you should make it a whole lot easier to install. So as always, I'm gonna start with adding some foundation all over that lace. That way the lace can match my skin tone a lot better. And then I'm gonna go ahead and throw the wig on. Once the wig is on your head, if you need to use the adjustable strap to tighten it some more, you can do that. Just make sure everything is centered and everything is fitting comfortably as well. Then you're gonna go ahead and get all of the hair away from the lace. That way you can work with a clean space and really see what you're working with. So I'm gonna clip the hair away from my face, and now it is time to make use of that ear tape adhesive. This is not new to my channel, but just in case this is your first time seeing this, I'll show you guys what to do. Peel off that blue strip. This is a double-sided tape, so one side sticks to the lace, one side sticks to your skin. Just press it down into your skin. It is that simple. I did tug on it as well just to show you guys that she was pretty secure. And then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now the ear tape adhesive definitely helped as far as keeping the lace intact, but as you guys can see, there were some pieces sticking up, and that's because the wig cap in general did have a little bit more space than what I needed, even with me tightening the elastic band. So to get those little pieces of lace to stick down, I am going to use my lace melting spray. This is definitely optional, you guys, so if you don't have to do it once the wig is on your head, like if you don't have the same problem that I have, you don't have to worry about using any type of product on that lace. But me personally, I cannot just walk around with that lace sticking up like that. I need her to lay completely flat because that is what looks like scalp. That's what mimics your natural hairline, etc. So I went in with about 2 rounds of this, and then I used my elastic band to allow her to settle and dry within like 5-10 minutes or so. So now that the elastic band is off, wherever I do see the lace, I'm just going to add a little bit more foundation. That way she blends in perfectly with my makeup. Now with Hermosahair, I realized that they do cut the lace really close to the natural hairline. So if this is not enough pre-plucking for you, you might want to pluck some more. I thought about it, but to be honest, I really did not feel like doing all of that today. So I kind of just worked with what they did, but I just wanted to point that out there. As you guys can see, I'm giving myself a nice C-shaped part. I wanted it to the side, but I didn't want just a regular straight line, so I kind of made it into a C, and then I used my wax stick and my hot comb to keep it in place. Now I'm going in with a lighter foundation and I'm just adding it to that parting area. That way it can help mimic my scalp. So this hair does come pre-styled, you guys, so we don't have to worry about curling all of the hair and doing a whole bunch of extra stuff, which is just going to take up a lot more time. So I went ahead and I kind of just ran my fingers through the hair. I added some hairspray, went in with a comb and my Demon brush. I was kind of going back and forth. I just wanted to really make the curls look neat because we did just take this wig out the box, so I didn't want her to be frizzy. There was also some flyaways that I had. The hair did also shed a little bit, but it wasn't too extreme. It was more so on the minimal side. I believe I gave you guys a clip you'll see soon, but overall I do like how they did curl the hair because it was very bouncy, it was very full, it was very appealing to the eye as well. I just wanted to touch up a few areas, that way I didn't have to recurl the hair all over again. So this is obviously based on your preference. However you want your curls to look, you're going to make sure you're doing what you can to make sure it looks that way. If you wanted to keep it simple, kind of like how I started it out with just adding some hairspray, combing through the hair, and then leaving out the door, you can do that as well. But I'm a little extra, so I did decide to kind of mess with the hair a little bit. I decided that I wanted the front to be a little bit more bang-like, so I kind of molded the wig in the best way that I could to kind of get that shape, and then I added just a little bit of layers to the front as well, just to help to give me a little bit more of a bang. And overall, I just kind of kept messing with it until I was completely happy with it. So this is what the end of the hair is looking like without a brush, by the way. I just wanted to give you guys a clip of that. But look at this hairline. She is looking so nice. Again, as I mentioned earlier, if you would like to pluck some more, you can definitely go ahead and do so. But I was pretty happy with it once I finished messing with the hair. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I actually really like how the hair came out. It looks like I'm going somewhere extremely important, somewhere fancy, you know? But make sure you guys check out my description box down below. Everything will be listed there. Thank you again for tuning in, and I will see you guys next time.